Me a the teacher.
Want some green one in there? Give me some green. Give me about 3 green one. Or 4. They tell us I want mostly ripe, but want some green to put in a soup. And my rice and peas.
Quarter pound of pepper.
Change that one there. That one there with the black in it. Pepper them pretty, man. Some pepper them.
Sweet one, yeah.
Pepper them are going.
That's funny pepper, sweet pepper. See them here, sir. Real starchy, real poor.
I put it by instant.
Five and a half.
Want 2 pound. A 2 pound that? 1 2 pound. I red sorry lemon. How much a dozen for your orange?
$20.
They're sweet. You know not tell me so they're not sweet.
I see them.
Then the sweet last week, miss.
Yes, man, I see the bar in family. It's sweet last week. I mean, maybe sweet this week. I see them then. What you want? 1 dozen?
No, I want 6. Me have orange I had.
What you want?
Jamaican money.
How much are you? Them breadfruit, one green one.
Me no want pay little one and mix it.
Not your sure, not
What you call it? Orange or passing brown?
a total. In it to
I know so
Tangerine.
Sure. How much with it?
My favorite scallion red stalk, scallion pure white stalk, scallion I not like. Warm 2 red stalk scallion them. How much a pound for your white stalk? 100. Eh? 100? $100? Listen, me not like the white stalk scallion and she know that. But I have to go buy because I can't get the red stalk. Give me 1 pound. Give me 1 pound. I want
$100.
Wildlife.
Give me some of my big stock one them here. I mean, I like when it start them small.
How much is tangerine there, sir?
Give me some of my big stock one them. Tomato they red and pretty though. Now so me no want to give me half pound. Me no want to smudge. Give me half pound, enough scallion that there. Me no like dry up scallion. If we buy smudge it I go waste. Me just and that little bit now. Give me £1 here, man, because it's $100.
That me see.
You see some people buy scallion and make you serve them for 2 weeks. Make you buy some of me have to buy scallion every week. Give me one bungalow at a time. Time then green and pretty. So 150 that. Me have video this morning. I put them here. Let me see. Who did that mistake? You know, a bit more one bigger hand, man. Or give me one more. Give me one next annual little like when stay like this. So now I know. Carrot, yes, more £1. We don't want the ugly carrot them no. We don't want them too big and fat. Take out the goat. How much a finger for them there?
101.
You should have how much?
Only two, did work?
No, some more than two. Give me two more. We done.
Yeah, 100 gram, yeah, 120.
And the ripe banana.
Oh, I don't reckon that. I'm 9.30, that's 12.30. 80.
When you say banana name piak, I put snails them a ripe banana piak. Bob. Much money you get? Eh? Put in one back. You know. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I went to the market early this morning to get some fresh produce, and this is what I purchased. So as usual, I'm like a clean freak, okay? So I wash my produce before I put them into storage. I wash everything that you're looking at right now, except for the onion and the pumpkin and the scallion are washed. Everything else, and the lettuce as well, but everything else are washed, and the carrot as well. There's quite a few. Okay, so I did not wash the carrots, the pumpkin, the lettuce, the scallion and thyme, and the onion. I wash everything else. So, and I did not wash the oranges as well. This is 6 oranges because I have like 6 in the fridge. So because I keep my oranges in the fridge. So these oranges are called pasta brown. But we don't say pasta, we say parson. So they are very sweet, right? So they are called parson brown. But parson is the Jamaican patois for the word pastor. That's P-A-S-T-O-R, pastor. But Jamaican patois for pastor is parson. So we call it parson brown. So it's pasta brown orange. I do not know why they call it by that name. Okay, so unfortunately I cannot get the red stem scallion. So I had to settle for the white stem that I do not like, but you know. And also purchase fresh thyme. And this is the red onion, not the red onion. This is the normal white onion. I have onion in the fridge. I just buy 1 pound. Sweet peppers. Okay, so these are the Jamaican country peppers. The Jamaican country pepper. Beautiful. Jamaican country pepper. These are the real country pepper. They are seasoning. Oh God, they are so good. 1 cucumber or cucumber. So in Jamaica we say cucumber. And piece of pumpkin, a head of lettuce. I have cabbage in the fridge. And 1 pound of tomato, cooking tomato. And this is the container that I store my tomato in. So this is 1 pound of cooking tomato, and this is 1 eating tomato. But in Jamaica, this is called a salad, eating tomato or salad. And this is what? Oh, carrot over here. Beetroot to make vegetable and also to put with the carrot to make a drink. So I'm going to use 1 to make vegetable and 2 to combine with 1 pound of carrot to make drink. This is green bananas, two hands of green bananas. This ripe banana is called Gros Michel. It's very expensive and it's the best banana in Jamaica. We call it Gros Michel or Grossi. And of course, plantain or plantain. Purchase sorrel, as you can see in the video, because I did the video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put the video at the beginning of this video or I'm gonna put it at the end. But I did video in the market. It's very difficult to video in the Jamaican market because people, a lot of Jamaicans, including myself, do not like camera. We don't like to be on camera. You'll find 1 or 2 Jamaicans love to be on camera, love to have the camera in their bedroom and all over their houses, but that is not me. So this is common fowl eggs. Also received some ackee from my neighbor. She got these ackees from her country where she's originally from. There are a lot of ackee trees. So I am gonna end this video right now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I am gonna cook. I think I'm gonna cook something, and then I am gonna go to get my nails manicure and pedicure, and then I'm gonna go to the barber to get a nice shape up. Is it shape up? Shape up my ear. Yeah, because my hair is tempered, it is natural, and then it is cut into a nice female style. So I'm gonna do all that. It's a Saturday, so I don't have a lot to do. Yes, so I am gonna get my nails done. I'm not gonna put nails on it, just clean up my natural nails. No nail polish or anything like that. I only wear nail polish when I'm going out. So, and I wear false nails sometimes when I'm going out. So I'm just gonna clean it up at the nail tech and leave it at that. Yes, and I'm gonna clean up my toes as well.